Hello everyone, today we have a 2016 Land Rover Range Rover Autobiography. Absolutely beautiful SUV and hard to come by. And that's sounding good, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. And if you see any LEDs that appear to be flickering in the camera, that is the refresh rate of the camera. They don't do that to the human eye. See, it does have fog lights up front. Painted alloy wheels, turn signal indicators in the mirrors, and power lift gate, and the tow package. There is a spare wheel under there. There's your absolutely massive sunroof. All right, we'll go ahead and take a tour of the interior. These are super comfortable seats back here. Here are your controls, and there are more controls over here. You see that they have both cooled or heated both cooled and heated rear seats and a massage. And in here you have your Coolbox to where you can refrigerate items. And then here's your USB interface, another 12-volt power and AV. And here you have your cup holders and additional 12-volt outlet. Meridian sound. And then you have LCD monitors in the headrests on both sides. As you come down here, you've got your VIN right here. And I will upload a number of still photos as well as I go through this fairly quickly. Again, Meridian sound and driver presets, seat controls, and again, you're going to find that these seats have both heated and cooled and massage. And as you come up here, you'll see that it has 36,963 miles on this vehicle. You also have a variable ride height. You got your paddle shifters, and then your menu options, your stereo, push to talk. As you come over here, you have your cruise control and your heated steering wheel. There's your push button start. And then your climates. And your front seats for heated and cooled and massage. And as we come back out of that, you have your ability to connect a device, whether it be via Bluetooth or USB. And then you've got navigation as well. There's that map. Your park assist, which is fantastic, especially for parallel parking. Here's your reverse. Okay. And then your parking sensors and your other cameras, which you have 360-degree cameras. Okay, and as you come down, you have your comfort controls. And then if you just want to jump right to your seats, you can push that button right there. And you have 3 key fobs. Your shifter. As you come down here, you have your terrain selectors and your ride height. And we can change that to raise it up. And as you can see right here, the vehicle is actually rising up, and it's at a comfortable speed. And then we can go ahead and lower it back down again, and it automatically levels it. And then as you come over here, you'll have a heads-up display that is difficult to pick up on the camera. There we go. See it a little bit there. But it does have a heads-up display. And as you come up, you're going to have your sunglasses holder and your controls for your absolutely massive dual panoramic sunroof. And you have a suede type fabric here in the headliner. And then you can also change the directions of the air. And that about wraps it up for the interior of this Range Rover. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. It had some damage here up front and center. The airbags did not deploy. There was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.